Firstly, we starting our today's lesson, thanking with all the Corona warriors who are fighting for all of us, fighting from the medicals, fighting from the administrations like police, fighting like the cleanings, everyone. We want to say thanks for helping to fight this epidemic and also giving a positive power to all the families and the friend who has unfortunately lost their family member and sending the positive energy to all the peoples who are now fighting. So keep on inside in positive energy and power. We will definitely will success, and this virus it will be ran away from our life. So keep on your fighting. And today's, as we have already done some mudras, we will practicing today 7 important mudras. This one will be very useful in this times the problems from the virus. So firstly, we starting our first mudra. It's called Shankh mudra. Shankh, probably you have here. If you have a visitor India, then you can know it about what is the Shankh. It's called also in English shell, and this is very good for giving us insight to power, and it's helping to increase our immune system, because if our immune system will be good, then we can fight. And next, this is very good for thyroid and speech. Most of time many peoples they cannot speak fluently, or lack of confidence, or feeling hesitation in front of someone. So if that type of people, if they will practicing in a day at least 15 minutes 20 minutes, slowly they can increase day by day, then definitely it will be very good for them. This is also good for digestion. It's make our digestion strong, and it's one of the very good for throat infection. And if you are a musician, if you are a singing, like the singing the song, then this is also very good for your throat. Shankh mudra is also very good if your profession related some speaking, like as a teacher, as a front desk, or something like the work which one you have to conversation. So it increase your conversation power very strong. So let's see how we do a Shankh mudra. We taking our you can do by both methods. Take your left thumb. This is a left thumb. Catch it, and your right thumb, it will be middle of left finger's top. So this is the shape. It looks shell. That's this reason it's called Shankh mudra. Shankh mudra, it's called. And during your traveling of India, or if you see any temples, if you leave any Hindu places, then there you can see that the peoples they are playing the shell before doing any rituals. So that is very good also for same benefits. But if you have no shell, if you are busy, you can do these methods in your office or the workplace. Shell, Shankh mudra. Once more I am showing to you. Okay friends, so you can do it at least a 15 minute, 20 minute. After that, slowly you can increase it. Let's we speak second mudra for today. It's called Surya Mudra. Surya, it means sun. And when the sun it comes in our mind or in our words, it brings energy, brings positive, brings activeness. So same benefit with the Surya Mudra also. How we do? Let's see. This is our fingers. So we take our ring fingers, and Surya Mudra. It's very good for losing a weight. If you see that your friends or anyone, if they are going very fatty, like fatty stomach is coming out, and it's bringing your personality problem, or you are feeling very quickly tired, then if you will do Surya Mudra, it's very good. It's also very good for the joint pain, that's we call in English gout, in the medical language disease gout. It's very helping to decreasing cholesterol in your body, increase power, and this is also very good for all the sisters or the females. If they are pregnant, after the pregnant, their fattiness, their weight is increased, so this is very helpful for decrease. And when you do Surya Mudra, that means the Sun Mudra, always remember, if you are doing it in winter time, very good. But if you are doing summer time, that means when it's very hot, so be careful, because summer times we have already hotness in our body. So if your body is normal, then try to ignore it. But if you need to lose your weight, if you have joint problem, then you can do it. And before doing Sun Mudra, at least 30 minutes, 35 minutes before, if you drink a water, then it will be very good. I show you once more how we do Surya Mudra. Ring finger, we turn it. So this is our Surya Mudra. And luckily this times I am sitting and sun is directly coming in my palm. You can see also in the videos. Surya Mudra. Now the next we will talk, this is called Kundalini Mudra. Kundalini, most of us we know that what is a Kundalini. Kundalini, it's wake up our energy power, wake up our chakra. Most of us we know that we have seven chakras, and all chakras, it is situated in our backbone from top to bottom. Maybe most of you know it. If you don't know it, then you can tell to me. I will make another video and I will more explain in that. So Kundalini chakra, it's very good to open our energy. Energy, it means the energy of sun, energy of moon. In a simple language, we can say it's very helpful to open our sexual force, and it needs to be awakened. It is about unification of the masculine and feminine energy. It is the holder of regeneration and creativity. This is very good for improve male and female powers. It's also very helpful for sexual life. And if you are a practitioner of Kundalini, then it is very helpful to awaken power to give all your 7 chakras. So let's we practice how we do our Kundalini Mudra. We use our both hands. So we firstly join our hands here. This is the thumbs. We catch it, and right hand thumbs, it will be on the top, and we bend it. We try it again. Join it. Why we join it? So the energy it comes together. After here, and if you really want a good Kundalini Mudra power, then you can keep it near of your navel. Keep your backbone straight. All the mudras or all the sitting yogas, most of, should to be our backbone straight. And close your eyes, same 15 to 20 minutes. Same way. Kundalini. Okay. Now we are doing next, and this is called Varun Mudra. What is a Varun Mudra? It means seal of the mental clarity. It helps water elements in the body and it's activating the salivary glands and moisturizing dry eyes and skin. So this is also very important. How we do Varun Mudra? It's so easy. We use our little finger. You can keep it like this, or if you are in a workplace, then you can also keep anywhere. Little fingers. So this is called Varun Mudra. Varun Mudra, as I said, it's very helpful if lots of negative things it's running in your mind, then it's very helpful for cleaning. And it is also very helpful to balance the water elements in your body, because many times many people they feeling very quickly dry or a lack of water in the body, then it's very helpful should to do it. We do next, and it's called bronchial mudra. How we do? Look at me. See. So this is very helpful for the problem of asthma, problem of breathing related any problems, or if your heart is weak, then this is very good. Look at me once more. Bronchial mudra. This is very good for respiratory problems, if you have a respirations related any problems, and this is very good in the problem of small intestine or the big intestine. If you have a problems, then this is also very good. We do our next. This is called the Kuber Mudra. Kuber, he is the god of luxuries, god of wellness. So same, this is very good for giving positiveness in our body. How we do a Kuber Mudra? Firstly, see it. Our little finger, our ring finger, it will be root of our thumbs. And these two fingers, middle fingers and the index fingers, it will be touch each other. Okay. So Kuber Mudra, it's increase your intent of desires. As I said, Kuber is god of wealth, hence the mudra will attract wealth and prosperity in your life. The practice of Kuber Mudra also help to increase confidence levels and passions. I show you once more. Little finger and the ring finger, it will be the root of our thumb. Kuber Mudra. We do our last mudra, and this is called Surhai Mudra. Surhai, it's very famous. If you travel in India, especially the summer times, you can see that many people they buy the small freezer that's made by the soils, and when keeping the water inside, it's very cold. So same meaning also come out here also for the Surhai Mudra. It helps to sharpen your intellectual and also beneficial in the treatment of respiratory disease and cold problems. How we do? Look at me. Left hand, right hand. Left hand small fingers, it's touching a ring finger, and right hand ring fingers, it's touch the left hand small fingers. It's called the Surhai Mudra. This is very good to keep you feeling you cold, especially for summertime. You can try it. It's very good. Surhai Mudra. It's very good. Okay friends, so this is we perform the mudras. Now we will speak some motivations, because motivation is very important in our life. So now we will speak about some motivations. So as we know, like gravity, karma is so basic and we often don't even notice it. Karma is very important in our life. If we follow any work, if any routes, even if we run any platform, definitely we get our goal. But it's no meaning that doing our work of a life we forget what we need to do. So basically I want to share with you one very interesting story, and this is a story, it's related of one king. This king was ruled one country, and unfortunately he has no son to success to the throne. Since the king was getting old, he wanted to select a suitable successor to rule the country. The king sent out notice throughout his country. He has invited every qualified young man in the country for interview the king for getting the throne. Every young man across the country was very excited at the possibility of the being the ruler of the country. Same time, one poor young man from the remote village also read the notice and very excited, and started to prepare for an interview with the king. The man was a kind man, a hard working man, but he was very pure, very poor due to various circumstances. The man had no good clothes to be presentable in the sight of the kings. So that old young man, he has worked really very hard and saved some money to buy him proper clothes and supplies to support him for a long journey to the place. He traveled many days by the side of the road in winter season, and in that winter seasons many times he has getting tired, so time to time he has also stopped many places. On the way he saw that one beggar is begging and shouting, being of very cold because it was a very foggy weather also. So he has stopped. That beggar was shouting and saying that I'm very poor, I have no food, my body is going trembling in the cold. So the beggar extended his arms and plead for the help. His weak voice cracked. I am hungry and cold. Please, please, brother, please, sir, please, God, help me. The young man was so moved by the pathetic conditions of the beggar. Given limited food he had carried for himself in the journey, the beggar thanked the man 1,000 times, and many blessing that beggar also given. Beggar requested to that young man, I have no clothes, so can you borrow me clothes? The young man, he was in puzzles and he was starting to thinking, I need to perform, I need to go in front of king, and I need to get together to the king. If I will not wear a good clothes, then how I can be perform in front of him? But his heart was so kind, so he has put off his clothes and he took the clothes of that poor man, the old beggar man clothes he has wear. He has given his new clothes, new warm clothes to the beggar and moved from there. Beggar starting to blessing to him that God will help you. He went in the kingdom with a fear and scare. The reason is that he has not a good clothes, and he looks also not very clean, looks very dirty because he helped on the way to the beggar. So continue the many young boys who came to there. Time to time they all went in front of king for performings for the interview. After that, finally that young man's number came. He went inside, and when he went inside, so he was his eyes was shocking there. He was surprised because he saw that beggar is sitting in front of him. So firstly he didn't believe in his eyes and starting to move his eyes for looking it again. So after that he said that excuse me, probably on the way I met with you. King said, yes, you are right, we met on the way. So the young man, he was shocked and he said that then why you stopped me on the way? King said that this is the way how I can trust, how I can believe when I will be not the king of this kingdom, when I will give the responsibility of my kingdom, that person should to be full responsible of the people of my place, people of these kingdoms, with responsibility, with good heart. So not only you, I check many others peoples, but in all of them, I like the way of yours. So I am very glad, very happy with your the way of thoughts, and I am very sure after from me you will be very good way, will take care of these kingdoms, and you will be increase the respect, the name, the fame of these kingdoms, with full take care of the peoples of here. So then after he has organized the ceremony for making a king, and that young man be a king of that kingdom. So this is showing, here's the motto, here's the main meaning is coming out, that we always should to make our heart more and more bigger, and we should to be always help to others, to needy peoples. If we see anywhere, whatever we can, we should to do, because somewhere, somehow, it will be returned back. I am not saying, friend, that if we all will do, then definitely the same situation will be in our life also, we will be a king. It's not possible. But if we will do to help to the others, then first benefits, we get happiness. Second benefits, somehow some points it's returned back, because it's called karma, and karma makes the destiny. So this is the result come out. He be a king of that kingdom and starting to ruling that kingdom a very good way. And thank you my all the friends around the world, from everywhere. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for giving your time, blessing. So please keep it on. And friends, if you want to give your any types of help, supports for our project and program for here, then you can message me. I will send you the information, and you can send us your donations or the supports. Always welcome for running our free school for underprivileged children. Thank you, and I will send all the links also. You can also see it, and always welcome in your home in Varanasi, India. And please stay safe. Please be happy, be positive, and full of positive energy and power. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Thank you, friends. Thank you. And please like this video. If you feel that this is something really useful, please like it. Please share it from your friends, family, and all social media platforms.